no. My hero. Bravo, my son.
A hero, huh? What do you got, Yumuk? Or is your ball over there? Let's take a look, shall we? Ah, here it is. No, there is no need for a thank you, Yumuk. Come on, catch it now. That's it. I'm a hero.
Please help.
Huh?
That was great, Mutlu. I think Minnie's boots have some sort of problem.
You came right on time, Mutlu. Thank you so much.
Now, where did I put my coffee? Maybe I'll brew another one.
It's on the table, right next to the van, Dad.
Ah, my hero son.
But of course, I'm a hero. You know, I've got a mission, Mom.
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy